am Aswa. I study 4th standard Community Junior Primary School, Tilchandulai. Hi, I am Kannan. I am old student in the school. Hi Aswa. Hi Kanna. How are you? Fine. Are you fine? What about our school? Fine. Teachers are always dedicated and students are telling me. What about our school? Good, improvement.